welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited today because this video is probably one of the funnest is not a word, but one of the most fun videos I've ever made. This video is sponsored by Canada B, which is an amazing makeup company. Oh my gosh. I, by no means, am a makeup expert, guru with makeup. Like, that is an art form, and I'm still, what am I saying? Art form. And I'm still learning it. But I'm so excited they sent me over this really amazing foundation, this highlighter, and spoiler alert, this is the finished look. I did a very cute look, but I'm going to show you guys the full tutorial, which I actually shot on a totally different day, so I look different. So I'm going to let you guys watch this now. I hope you enjoy it, and we'll be right back once it's done. Okay guys, so the first thing I did is just tested out the foundation on my skin, on my hand actually, I'm sorry. And then I got to brushing on my skin with the first layer. I do a couple of layers of foundation. I'm not sure if everybody does this, but I do mine a little bit different. So that's me just describing the products. The first thing is the foundation, which I got in, I think, Midnight shade. And then this one is an awesome little highlighter stick. It's glowy and it's gorgeous. So after I tested the foundation and put the first little thin layer, I decided to fill in my eyebrows. And then there is the magical foundation from Canada B. Y'all, this stuff is so silky and luxurious. And I love that it's a vegan, sustainable brand. Like, I do not like using products that have a lot of harsh chemicals in them. And I don't like using things that are bad for the environment. So anyway, I blended in my foundation, and now I'm just taking a big old hunkin of concealer just to eliminate any darkness under my eyes and just bring attention to the light points of my face, or the points on your face that receive the most light. I hope I said that correctly. But anyway, that's me blending in all of the concealer, which, child, I put on a lot of concealer sometimes. It just depends on how tired I am. But anyway, yeah, see, that's a concealer check. This is actually like one of my favorite parts of doing makeup, because this is when I feel like you can really see it all come together. And this concealer just was blending so well with their foundation. Like, I honestly am in love. Okay, so that's me going through and just doing my eye with my little eyeshadow palette that I'm not going to show, because she's clean, but she's a little dirty and a little busted. I think that if you do makeup, like, we all have that one palette. I think I said this in my last one, that we're like in love with, but yeah, she's not camera ready. So anyway, I just did this really simple little like pinky rose gold lid, and I did a little bit of highlight or shadowing, I'm not sure what you call it, in the crease of my eye, just to emphasize my eye. And so now I'm just doing like a powder contour. I took some of the blush from my contour palette and I'm just carving out my cheekbones a bit. I have a rounder face. I have a round head. I guess my face is round too. I don't know what shape my head is. But I'm just filling everything out, and I went back in with my contour just to sort of define everything a little bit better. Like, I really look so different with makeup on because I'm learning how to carve out the features that I want to emphasize and then hide the ones that I don't, because that's kind of the point of makeup. You know, and of course you don't need makeup to be beautiful, but it is fun to kind of like change the shape of your face a bit. And so now I'm going in with my handy dandy, most favoriteest thing in the whole world, my eyeliner. I am known for my cat eye. It is legendary. I have been doing her for years. I feel naked when I don't have a cat eye. The only time I'm okay with it is if like someone else does my makeup and they like find a way to emphasize other parts of my face. But I just love bringing attention to my eyes, and I adore the cat eye. It is so ethereal and goddess-like. So we just love to see it. And that's me just going back in and filling in my eyebrows a little bit more. Okay, fun part. So this is the highlighter. I go right on top of where I contoured all the way up to the sides of my eyes. So this is the finished look. And again, it is another day, but I redid the same makeup again. because I did that one and I didn't have a chance to like really get like a good imaging of my face afterwards, but this is pretty much the finished look. And I did like a little contour, and you can see the highlighter. Like, look how pretty and glowy that is. So yes, if you want to check them out, check out the link in my description. Tell them I sent you there and try out their makeup. You're gonna freaking love it, because the thing about me is like, I'm gonna be real. I'm not gonna try everything. I'm only try stuff that like when I find out about it or when people reach out to me, I look at it and I take my time, and me and my team go through it. Me and my manager look at it and say, and then you get videos like this. So all of this is organic and authentic, but it is an ad. I have to make that disclaimer. So make sure you guys check them out. Go visit Canada Bee. And make sure you subscribe, because we do a lot on this channel. Check out the Monday healing vlog for this week if you haven't checked it out already. And stay tuned. Talk to y'all later. Love y'all.